scared you too? Are you fearful of everything you thought you knew? You see, darkness is a game we all play, and when we play with others, others will find us. Others will know us. Because even when we do things to others, we might not see it coming then. But trust me when I say this, we all have to face our own fear. Let destiny talk, and you will understand. Trust me. I am not afraid, but are you? And when it's all said